This is Cordapia in Australia. Galing ako sa school ng anak ko. Pinick up ko siya. This is Jeremy. So malapit na kaming dumating sa bahay namin. So now paikot na kami. Ikot, turn right. Yeah, goy, may bus. May bus. Busby. Okay, now. Okay.
Go to church today, ma? You go to church today, po?
Not Sunday yet.
Not 10 o'clock, ma?
You
go to church today, po, 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
You go to church 10 o'clock?
Yeah. But not Sunday yet. Today is Wednesday, so no church today, no church tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Next tomorrow is Friday. And next Friday is Saturday. What? No, nothing.
As a brother Jim, I work on a church. But Jesus so far.
Now guys, malapit na kaming dumating. Nag-drive ako. Yes. Sana walang pulis dito kasi nawakan ko yung phone ko. for viewers only. For my reel. Tapos ikot na naman kami pa turn right. Okay. Yes. Ito ang view ng lugar namin. See, full of trees. Walang unit dito guys. Walang mga unit, puro bahay. Napakaganda, tahimik na lugar. Okay. Ayan. Tahimik na lugar dito guys. Quiet place. Yeah. Yan. Okay. Nandito na kami. Kunin ko yung bahay namin. Okay, yan. Papasok na kami. Saan yung susi na. Okay, guys. Buksan ko muna ang garage. Hanggang muna, Jeremy. Okay. Pasok na tayo. Okay. Yan. Yes.
Up.
Okay, guys. Ouch. Okay. Wait a minute. Knock. Huwag kang mag-open sa Not finish yet. Okay. At last. See you next video, guys. Please don't forget to click subscribe my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page. Cordapia in Australia. Bye-bye. See you next video. Bye. I love you all, guys. Thank you for your support and also keep watching my video. Thank you so much for sharing my video and also, continue support my video, guys, on my channel and my page. Bye-bye.